Okay, hey everyone, my name is Jonathan Rizzo. I am within the Capstone 2 Vulnerability Scanner group for fall 2024, and I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the vulnerability scanner. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we have a VM or just a machine that can run Linux. In this case, I'm using Kali. You could use Ubuntu, whichever should be fine. So let's give it a couple seconds. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website right here. You want to go into your browser and type in go.dev.dl. This is because we need to download Go. I believe I just have this one right here, the Linux AMD 64. Afterwards, as long as it's in your downloads, you have to do the following commands. Let's change the directory to downloads. Should be this one right here. So once we run it, it's going to ask us for the password. So that brief second is it actually installing? Next, we have to do sudo nano etc/profile, or you could just do sudo nano. Give me 1 second. You could just do sudo. You just do nano this one. This would be for more user-specific installations, and then the other one, which I showed you, which is etc/profile, is for more system-wide, to have it installed on the whole system. For this demonstration, I just did the profile, so I will be following the same principle. Afterwards, we need to go all the way to the bottom, and right here in export, this is not going to be here, so we have to write this. So I'll give a couple seconds to type that out. Okay, so let's close out of that. Next, we need to make sure we apply the changes. So we do either sudo etc/profile or sudo this one. Let's just do this one for now. Now, we should have Go installed, so if we do Go version, it should say this is my version of Go, whatever. Next, what we need to do is go into GitHub, and it should tell you the command right here. This command right here. So let's paste this in. I already have it installed, but it's gonna take a couple minutes. I guess I can get started on the other half now. So for Metasploitable, which is just how we were testing the vulnerability scanner, if you wish to set this up too, we didn't really do much. It should just be the same as installing a normal VM. However, we did do one command to get everything properly working. Sorry. And that was forgive me, sorry. We basically did vim/var/www/tilde/config.inc. Right here, the DB name, really important. Here's my mouse, sorry. Right here in this line where it says DB name, it was originally Metasploitable or Metasploit, and we just changed it to OWASP 10 so that we could use Matilde. And the vulnerability scanner is just working in the background. Sorry for the quick edit. This is the website where we got Metasploitable. It just should be downloaded. It should download an ISO or a virtual machine file, and you just add it into your VM. It does take a couple minutes, so we could just let it run. I'm gonna stop it right here because it's probably gonna take a little longer. But once everything works, you should be able to. Okay, there we go. Sorry. We should be able to do nuclei slash dash help. There we go. Now we have nuclei installed. Additionally, if you're also running the VMs and you wish to make sure that they can connect, give me a second, we need to stop these. Okay. There should be right here network. You want to put to NAT network for both of these. After you have NAT network, you can test these out by running both of them. So let's really quickly check the IP. So it should be, where is it? Right here. So let's check, make sure that they ping. Let me just run another one. So it's 10.0.2.4. So as long as we can ping, that's fine. And there we go. We have the whole lab and the whole environment set up. Should be everything.